In this comprehensive guide, you'll learn how to construct AI agents using Claude, a leading AI platform. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to create and deploy AI agents, enhancing productivity across various industries.
Have you ever wondered how AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace? Welcome to our step-by-step guide on building AI agents with Claude. In just 15 minutes, you'll discover how Claude empowers businesses with AI solutions that automate tasks and enhance productivity. We'll walk you through from setting up your environment to deploying AI agents in real-world scenarios. Let's dive right in and unlock the potential of AI with Claude.
Claude is not just another AI platform, it's a powerhouse of capabilities designed to streamline processes and boost efficiency. Developed with cutting-edge technology, Claude offers tools that cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals in AI development. Its intuitive interface and robust functionalities make it a preferred choice for industries ranging from healthcare to finance. We'll explore how Claude stands out with its seamless integration capabilities, allowing businesses to incorporate AI into their existing workflows effortlessly. Understanding Claude's core strengths is the first step towards mastering AI development.
Setting up your environment for Claude is crucial for a smooth AI development process. Start by ensuring your system meets the necessary hardware and software requirements. Download and install Claude's suite of tools, which are available for various operating systems. Pay attention to security protocols, as protecting your data is paramount. Configure settings for optimal performance, and don't worry about hiccups. We'll guide you through troubleshooting common setup issues. Proper setup is your gateway to efficiently building and testing AI agents. Before diving into building, it's essential to grasp what AI agents are. An AI agent is a system capable of perceiving its environment and taking actions to achieve specific goals. These agents are built on core components such as perception, reasoning, learning, and action. At the heart of AI is machine learning, enabling these agents to learn from data and experiences. Understanding these components will provide a solid foundation as you begin creating your own AI agents with Claude. Integrating Claude into your existing workflows can revolutionize how tasks are performed. Begin by identifying areas where AI can replace or enhance manual processes. Claude allows you to leverage existing data, automating repetitive tasks and significantly boosting productivity. We'll explore real-world examples where businesses have successfully integrated Claude into their operations, showcasing improved efficiency and innovation. Understanding the integration process is key to maximizing the benefits of AI in your workflows.
Now comes the exciting part, building your first AI agent with Claude. We'll guide you through a step-by-step process, starting with choosing the right tools and understanding the basic coding requirements. As you lay down the initial code, testing becomes vital to ensure your AI agent functions as intended. Remember, building AI is an iterative process, requiring continuous refinement and testing. By the end of this block, you'll have a functional AI agent ready for further development and integration.
Testing and debugging are critical steps in AI development. Claude provides a suite of tools designed to facilitate thorough testing and prompt identification of issues. We'll look at common problems that arise and how to address them effectively. Establishing a feedback loop is crucial for continuous improvement, ensuring your AI agent performs optimally in real-world scenarios. By adhering to best testing practices, you'll ensure your AI agent is reliable and efficient.
Deploying your AI agent is a significant milestone. We'll discuss various strategies to ensure smooth deployment across different industries. Monitoring performance post-deployment is crucial for ongoing success, and scalability should be considered to handle increased demand. We'll explore case studies where Claude-powered AI agents have transformed operations, providing insights into best practices and potential pitfalls to avoid. Understanding deployment intricacies will prepare you for successfully launching your AI solutions.
Maintaining AI agents is an ongoing process that requires vigilance and adaptability. Regular updates are necessary to keep your AI agents functioning optimally and securely. Effective data management is crucial, as data is the lifeblood of AI. Stay abreast of technological advancements to ensure your AI solutions remain cutting edge. Security and compliance are non-negotiable, with Claude providing tools to help you stay compliant. Engage with the AI community for support and insights, fostering continuous learning and improvement. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards mastering AI agent development with Claude. As we conclude, reflect on the knowledge you've acquired and start applying it to build your own AI solutions. We encourage you to share your experiences and any challenges you face in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable as we strive to create even more insightful content. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on AI development and beyond. Until next time, keep innovating.